Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to do an oil change on Lola over here, and while we're doing that, there's the oil and filter. We're going to be drinking a brew, and there's no biscuits. Terrible state of affairs. Anyway, we've stuck with them up back, so camera facing back. Longest day challenge 2026. Bottom fairings disappeared. They're a mess anyway, so they need sorting out with some stickers that make them look good. That water pump needs bringing back to life, really. What we'll do is we'll refresh that, and when I say refresh it, we'll spray it black, make it look decent. All these hoses getting replaced, clips, and we hope they're going to solve the problem. And then we'll just give it a bit of a clean up in here, and you know, maybe not today. That filter's got to come off. Big screwdriver through the middle of that probably, because I ain't got a spanner for that. Well, that tank's got to come off, because I've got to get underneath that tank to have a look at the choke cable routing, because first 10mm of choke is, well, nothing. So that'll get sorted out. Tank will be coming off, but we'll be going straight back on again, because I'm going to add down Gruffs on it in a couple of weeks, complete with oil leak, with coolant leaks. I'll show you just how leaky she is. Let's jam a camera torch down back of there. Let's have a look. There you go. Oh yeah. Can you see? She's used a bit of coolant there, hasn't she? She's well below where she should be. So we'll top that up. We're very rust in there. A little tiny bit maybe, not much. So we'll sort that out. Tyre pressures are well down. We'll box them off, maybe today, maybe not. And yeah, let's make a start on doing an oil change on her. Yes. Right. We best crack her up, aren't we? Really. Warm oil up. Will she start? That's the thing, isn't it? Let's plonk out there. Now let's warm her up. Get some temp in her for oil change. Ugh. Choke rubbish. Come on, girl. There we go. Right, we'll warm her up. Let's get a bit of 10-bit oil, and then get this oil dropped. That's choking. Yeah, alright. Get this oil dropped, and hopefully we'll be hunky dory. Alright, let's have a look under here. What have we got? That, I think, is a 17mm. I think. So let's try and place you somewhere you can see what's going on. Well, let's see how shit the oil is. Can you see? I don't know if you can see or not. Not better. Can you see there? Oh yeah, you can see there, can't you? Can you see? Yep, probably. Oh yeah. Now, 17mm and a cup of tea. Working. Can't see. Let's have a look if that's working or not. Where is it? There it is. Can you see that? Yep. Bucket that. That then. Oh. This is where I get me and you full of oil. So, you know, you're in your living room and or you may be on your toilet, I don't know, you watch YouTube at, but I'm at garage here and you're in your living room and one of us is going to get full of oil and I might need to catch that camera very quick. So, if it it, we're all bossed out, I think. Going to be hot this oil as well. Don't want to. Here we go. Does it feel like? Don't feel too bad. Don't look so clever. Oh, it doesn't look so clever at all. I mean, see? Have a look at that. Oh dear. Oh, it's like a barista. It's like I'm drawing one of them pictures in the top of a coffee. Looks well. I'll have to have a sniff of this in a minute. Yeah, it's done 3,000 miles all that oil. And good. 2,000 of them in 66 hours. So, you know, it's entitled for it to be a bit rough, that oil, isn't it? So, what we'll do is, we'll leave that draining and we'll go and finish this cup of tea and yeah, cheers. I am hungry. Might go make a butty. Leave that draining, I'll be back in a bit. Oh Jesus Christ. There's another. There we go. So a bit more information for you. Look. Number of brews today in the garage, 4. Now, let's have a look at this oil. That stopped dripping. I mean, it's minging that oil, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the colour of that. Fucking minging. Right, so that's rubbish. That's minging, isn't it? Up there's not so pretty. Bloody hell, Lola. Where did he keep you, this fella? I mean... More rusty bolts. Well, I would attack them. Definitely. Why is there a big patch of Velcro under there? Ah, 100% didn't put that there. Rusty. You know. They'll clean up. A couple of miles, they'll clean up. Let's put the bung back in and then you see that up there? You see it? Oil filter there. Oh, that's off next. That bugger there. There. Yeah, we can see it, can't we? bang that back in there. Up you go. Nip that up. There you go. That'll do. That's specced up, that, apparently. Oh. Right, let's move round front. 5. One, these are turned up. Food teller. £1.25 for a big bag full. Fucking hell. This bugger's got to get thrown on in a minute. That's all that stuff. Mega. Wonder what he's doing today. Gruffaloscoot. Well, I know what he's doing. He's out observing some riding. Fantastic. I'm definitely not going to need to jam a screwdriver through it because I swung on it that hard 5 minutes ago. My eyeballs nearly popped out my head. So I know this is loose now. Oh, there you go. So I knew it was loose because I've been swinging on it. So move that over there a bit. I think there was a bit of centre it ball, but we're alright now. We 100% don't want to be getting any oil at camera, do we? I see it ripping though. There you go. Better from this angle, I think, the light. Oh, there you go. This bit. Get the oil fill tray out. Jesus. And you know what, it's only a 2-minute job as well. Just like hanging around in here. Right, let's go and stick this oil filter on. What have we got here? That'll do. Clean that up. It's clean up now. Oh yeah. Beautiful. How's that look? Yeah. No, not too bad. You know, job's a good one. Are we done? Yeah, I'll put it there. There's shit there. That'll do, won't it? Let's get a fresh filter on. A bit of oil on there. We're in business. I will say so. That'll do. Let's throw a torch up in there. Can we get in? We in? Oh yeah. Now some bonnet. Give it a dry my hands off for talking up with my hand. Oh, ready? Get talked up with hand. That'll do, won't it, I think? That'll do, I think. Just check my other hand. Talked up. Perfect. What's date today? 21st of September. Now, that'll do. Let's put some oil in her. Right then. So this is our oil of choice. What we're going to be doing. And it is just for testing really for winter. So not gone some braces. We're going to be using that. Square up there. We're going to be using that, and just until probably May, just shy at longest day challenge, and then we'll put some of the good stuff in. So 3.6 litres she takes. Let's get it in there. 3.6 litres. That looks like a litre to me. Okie dokie. Oh, I've never been any good at doing this. Where can I put you? Slowly, slowly, slowly. .6 litres she takes with a new filter. Alright, that's 3.6, well, just shy of 3.6 litres in there now. It's easier to top it up than take any out if it's slightly over, so that's the oil change done. Oh yeah, beautiful. Right, thanks again for watching. I know I'm a bit boring, but you know what, it's what I like doing. I've been a bit ill lately as well, so thanks for putting up with me. Don't forget, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel down there, it's free, don't half help, and yeah, thanks for watching. Get down in the comments, and you know, tell us how rough you think my Fireblade is. I'll see you soon. Take care. Get out there on your bike.